Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up Settings and then navigate down to Battery and Device Care. In here, tap on Storage. Now by default it will show you the internal storage, which is the storage of the phone itself, but you can see we have two pages, so you want to swipe over and this will show you your SD card. Now in here you want to click on the three dots and select Format. This will bring up a window at the bottom asking you format SD card. Everything on the SD card will be erased. So if there is anything on that card that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it before you begin. Otherwise it will be removed permanently and you won't have any way to get it back. So anyway, once you made a copy, or maybe you don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Format, and this will begin the process, which only takes like a couple of seconds. Should be right about done. There we go. So there we go, it's now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.